All of us. Squishy versus real
Yeah,
food.
squishy versus real food. Blah, blah.
So they know how to play, right? So you want to get the squishy. The person who gets the most squishies at the end gets to eat a real ice cream cone. Yeah, she didn't know about that rule, but I got ice cream. No peeking. You can't lift it up and peek, okay? So you can either keep or swap. Your choice. There's 10 rounds. This is round 1. Let's go. Swap. Okay. Ready? Countdown. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Yay! Smells so good. Smell it.
Oh.
It smells so good.
It smells better than a real banana. Good.
This is round 2.
I'm winning, right? I have 1 point. You have 0.
No. No, I get 1 point.
You got 1 point because you got the squishy. You gotta keep track. Ready on the count of 3.
Okay,
1, 2, 3. Oh! I got the squishy. What is it? Oh, are you eating yours? This is one of those like super squishy ones. Like, it's really big, and then you can just. Whoa!
Round 3. Here we go.
Here we go.
So it's your turn. Well, it's my turn.
Yeah, it's your channel, so you choose. Do you want to keep it or swap it? Because right now it's tied 1 to 1.
Swap.
You want to swap? Okay. What kind of food do you think's under here? What kind of food? Take a guess.
I think this is a squishy.
You think it's a squishy?
Actually, it's a food.
A squishy food?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh! I got the squishy one. The squishy burger. I won and I took the lead. Ev's not too bad because now she gets just eat the cheeseburger. Wait, are you purposely choosing the food just so you can eat it? See what that burger looks just like it feels like a double decker. It's pretty close.
Look at me.
Except this one you can squeeze. Okay. Next round, here we come. Okay, what round is it?
4.
Round 4? I'm winning, you know that, right? I'm winning 2 to 1. Okay, so you really need to get the squishy this time. No peeking.
I'm gonna keep.
You're gonna keep?
Yep.
Okay. You sure? 3, 2, 1. Oh!
You have to eat it.
What is it?
You have to do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog? Do you even know what this
You want me
is?
to do it?
I want you to do it.
Okay.
Here, come sit up here. These look alike. It's like the exact same thing.
Okay, let me have it.
Okay, here. I get to squeeze the little piece.
No.
No.
It's my
Okay,
turn.
I want you to do a lot. Ooh. Bite into it like an apple. Just like bite into it. Like a big old bite. Ooh.
It's not really sour.
Come on, bite into it. Get all the juice, come on.
Okay, wait,
You don't
wait.
think it's sour? Come here, I'll make it sour for you. You're not even on the vlog. Everybody wants to see you take a big old bite. Come on. Go for it. Oh, she's doing it! Oh! 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 Her eyes are watering. Okay, should we go to the next round? Oh, she's out. She's out. Round 5.
I'm gonna switch.
You wanna switch?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's round 5. You know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's a tie game, so whoever gets the squishy takes the lead. Takes first place.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1! Oh!
No!
You got the squishy. I got the real chocolate.
No! Please, Daddy. No!
Oh, you got the squishy one.
Please, Daddy. You can have it. You can have the squishy.
Will give me the lead? I get the point?
Yeah.
But, here, I don't want you to eat it, I just want you to smell it. Oh no! No! Oh. Here. Let's see if they look really close. Oh, this one just doesn't have a face. They look pretty close though. Do you think it tastes like chocolate? Here, I'm gonna try it.
No! Don't taste it!
Are you still eating your chocolate bar? What? What? Why are you looking at me like that?
Let's do it. Ow!
What round is this? Round 6?
Mm-hmm.
You can't see anything under here, right? You can't see anything, right?
Okay,
Okay, yeah.
Ready?
Do you want to?
Stop!
Wait. Do you want to swap?
Keep.
No, I think we should swap.
No, keep.
I really think.
No, I want to keep.
3, 2, 1. Are you hydrating up for this next round?
You need to get hydrated, guys.
Yeah. You do need to get hydrated, you're right.
Time for round 7, yo. Welcome to the Disney show.
This is Disney?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay, there's now Disney 5!
Oh, wait. Are you keeping us swapping?
Swapping.
Swapping? Okay. You're winning 4-2. You know that, right?
What?
You're winning 4-2.
I'm winning?
You're winning. Yeah, I'm losing. So I need to get the squishy. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, chocolate covered straw. Here, I want it. I want it.
No, you're not.
I want it.
No!
Please, please,
No.
please, please. Oh, no! You had the chocolate part. Oh. Chocolate covered strawberry, though. She's just getting all the yummy food. Wow. Come see what it smells like. Whoa, look at that. Does it smell like a chocolate covered strawberry?
Yeah,
It smells.
smell this.
And smell that. It smells the exact same.
Yeah.
I wish I could eat this. It's round 8, so we only have 3 more rounds, and I'm losing by 1 point. So I need the squishy.
No, I need it.
Well, if you get the squishy, then that'll put you in the lead big time. You know that, right?
Okay.
So are you
I'm
gonna
gonna see
keep
which
or
one's
swap?
heavier. Cause you're doing it, you're gonna.
I'm putting them under here, so I know which one it is.
I'm gonna swap.
You gonna swap? Okay, you sure? Alright, let's count down. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you got the squishy. That was good. I thought you were gonna keep it. Squishy taco. You are winning. You're winning 5-3.
Oh, it's cheese, meat, and lettuce.
Okay, I want to see you squish it. Wow, that is squishy. This one's not squishy. This one's hard.
I just hear the swap one.
So it's round 9. You know that. This is this round and only 1 more round. This round and 1 more round.
So
And you're winning by 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's right, what she
10
said.
rounds.
Yep. So do you want to keep or swap?
I'm gonna swap.
So what she's doing, I figured out, she's moving it because if it feels heavy, that means that there's real food under there, right? And if it feels light, like a squishy thing, she hacked the system. She hacked the system. I lost because she hacked the system. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom, look. She got it right. I'm not too upset about this one. Well, that's the watermelon. But you can't do this with the real watermelon. Okay, wanna go to the next round? All right, come on in, Eb. It's time for the finale. Are you still eating the watermelon from last round? If you guys have noticed, every round, Everleigh came in eating the item from the last round. Do you like this game just because you get to eat a lot of yummy food? If you shake it, you lose and you don't get the ice cream. So no shaking, only looking at it. Do you want to keep or swap? No moving it, no moving it. All I'm saying is, it's a really yummy food. So if you get the food, you get to eat the food. If you get the squishy, you gotta keep the squishy. You wanna keep? Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, show them what you got.
No,
What is it?
not showing them.
Do you know what it is? What is it?
Obstacles?
Uh-huh.
But there's 2.
Oh,
There's 2.
they're kind of fun because they got those little beads on them, so they make them feel neat. And they got chocolate. They smell good. So you won. You know that you won pretty bad. You beat me. I lost. Should we do a part 2 to this video?
Uh-huh.
Comment down below if we should do a part 2 and get a whole bunch more squishies and do a part 2 to this challenge.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. And watch our family channel. It's right there.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, click the link down there to watch our
and
family channel.
The bell is right there. And then the thumbs up is right there. Give us 100 thumbs up, please.
Get us to 100 thumbs ups.
And comment below if you love popsicles.
I love popsicles.
Yeah, me too.
You do? Cool, let's cheers. out.
No. Bye guys, love you so much. Peace out. Have a funny Sunday.
Funny Sunny.